Python Introduction. In this course, we'll cover the basic to advanced concepts of Python, as well as build real-life projects and solve different coding challenges. This course requires no prior programming experience, so let's dive right in. What is Python? Python is a popular, easy-to-learn, and very powerful programming language, which is used in software and web development, data science, machine learning, and many other fields. It has a simple syntax similar to the English language. Python is free and open source, so anyone can download and use. I'm introducing a website called sololearn for your reference. This site provides good information for people who are new to programming. It also offers exercises for each and every concept. After completing the assignments, it provides course completion certificates. Certificate look like this. I'm also joining a journey with you in these course. Together, we are gaining technical skills and certificates. We can use these certificates on LinkedIn and Naukri for our resumes. So, let's join in this course. Together, we will do wonders. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe.